students, this is Ila. Welcome to Happy Nursing. We have often come around the term homeostasis in many of our videos. So what is this homeostasis? Today we will discuss the same. Before going straight into the topic, we need to understand the arrangement of cells in our body, because that will help us a lot to understand our today's topic. The cells of our body are submerged in the extracellular fluid. Okay, extracellular means the fluid which is outside the cells. Now the part of this fluid which is in actual contact with the cells or occupies the space between the cells is called interstitial fluid. This fluid contains electrolytes, nutrients, oxygen, other chemicals, etc. and forms the internal environment of our body. This is the environment from where the cells get all their requirements and also discharge their waste products in it. Whenever this internal environment is disturbed, it leads to abnormal cell function and disease. So it is very carefully maintained by the body. Homeostasis means the constancy of this internal environment. There should be a proper maintenance of pH, temperature, osmolarity, nutrition, oxygen concentration, removal of waste materials, etc. in this fluid or components of the fluid. How is this maintained? Through coordinated activities of all the systems of our body. Some of the systems are here to work and others are to control. For example, the respiratory system supplies oxygen to the body and removes carbon dioxide. The excretory system is responsible for removing waste materials from our body. The digestive system helps in absorbing the nutrients and aids in digestion. The circulatory system looks after the blood circulation throughout our body. So all these are working systems and they are working for homeostasis. The controlling systems are the nervous system and the endocrine system, which are responsible for the harmony of all the activities going on in our body. The nervous system deals with sending and receiving the signals from muscles to brain so that the above systems can function properly. And endocrine system releases hormones with different functions which helps to continue the above process. In this way, homeostasis is maintained. Now there are two basic homeostatic control systems, feedback control and feed forward control. The feedback control is of two types, the negative feedback and positive feedback. First of all, negative feedback control. The system in which a change in the body brings about responses which reverse the change is called negative feedback system. For example, when the body temperature changes, such as in cold environment, what happens? Our body loses heat. We feel cold. Our body temperature reduces. Now, in order to maintain a constant temperature, the responses initiated by this decreased body temperature leads to increase our body temperature again through heat production. This is called negative feedback control. Next is positive feedback control. This is the opposite of the previous. In this system, a change occurs in the body which brings about responses to facilitate the change in the same direction. For example, during childbirth, uterine muscles contract and the posterior pituitary gland secretes the oxytocin hormone during that time. What does it do? It contracts the uterine muscles further, which helps in pushing the baby forward. So both of these feedback systems work in their own way to maintain homeostasis. A change in this system may lead to loss of stability in our internal environment. Next is feed forward system. In this system, regulation of responses is caused before the change has actually taken place. For example, when a meal is taken, our sugar level tends to increase. This is a normal mechanism. But we need to maintain the normal sugar level in order to maintain stability, right? So as soon as the meal is taken, a hormone called glucose dependent insulinotropic hormone GIP is secreted from the gut that stimulates the insulin secretion. This insulin will be needed to control the blood sugar level, which is expected to increase after the meal. So this is a feed forward system. So all these systems are working to maintain homeostasis, that is a state of equilibrium, whenever any change around us affects our body. For example, increased oxygen demand in high altitudes, shivering in low temperature. All these generate the responses needed for homeostasis. This was a very easy topic, but an important one. I hope you have understood. This was all about homeostasis in brief. If you like this video, like and share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.